Have you ever exhausted your body with multiple workouts and trendy diets in order to get the results you want? Or perhaps you're tired, can't manage to find time to work out, or maybe you're feeling stressed out because you're not seeing the results you're trying to get. Keep watching this video and we'll make sure that you won't go back to your old and ineffective workout ever again. Simply doing the same training as somebody whose body you admire and want for yourself may not work for you. The problem may be that you're spending unnecessary energy doing exercises that contradict with what your body needs in order to get the results you want. Once you understand your body type, you will now begin to understand why less is more. You can now maximize your workout time and focus on areas that need more attention to give you that dream body you've always wanted. Everything you need to know about the best fitness plan for your body type is right here. And by the end of this video, you'll be walking in the gym with more confidence and a better understanding on what specific workout routine will give you the best result in the least amount of time. We have Coach Ellery and Coach Flex, two of the top leading celebrity coaches today, to give us an overview on how you can create your own effective workout plan.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Waking You. In our last episode, we talked about the three main body types and how you can achieve your goal by identifying the right shape and size you are currently at.
Today, we'll give you 5 effective ways on how you can start your own workout plan based on your body type. First is mind setting. Do not kill yourself in the gym on your first week. Usually, lalo na tayo pagka bago pa lang tayo sa gym, usually na-intimidate tayo din sa mga nag-workout. So guys, kailangan enjoyin lang natin yung week natin. Remember, dun tayo magsisimula, dun sa first week na yun. Second, leave your ego at home and just go out there and start working out. Okay, for me, dapat kung ano lang yung program natin, yun lang sundin natin. Huwag tayo magpa-intimidate or yung pagka nakakita tayo ng may mga nagbubuhat na mabibigat, gagayahin din natin. Remember guys, importante pa rin yung safety natin. Remember, may kasabihan nga tayo. If you can train your brain, your body will follow. Kumbaga, ang kailangan natin muna, mindsetting nga. Kumbaga, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, kailangan muna nating pag-isipan yung gagawin natin. So, pag pumunta tayo ng gym, matik yun. Yung katawan nyo, sumama na rin.
Second, create a habit first. The idea is to get your mind and body so used to including a workout in your routine so you no longer have to think about it. It just comes naturally to you. So katulad ng nabanggit kanina ni Coach Flex, just go there. But always remember not to hurry up. Huwag nating gagayahin yung mga datihan na nagbubuhat. Kailangan, we have to do it phase by phase.
Third, execute. Do the work, go out there and prove to yourself that you're bigger than your ego. Stop procrastinating and just start. Nothing will happen unless you do something about yourself. Okay, first of all, syempre paano tayo magsisimula? Syempre kailangan muna natin pumunta sa gym. Pagka isip lang tayo ng isip ng gagawin natin pero wala naman tayong gawa, wala rin mangyayari. Ikaw, Coach Mark.
Yes, that's true. So, tama yun, no? Yung katulad ng sinabi niya, no? So, if you have planned about this, kailangan you work on it. Simula, hindi pwede yung basta sinabi mo lang dahil gusto mo. You have to have a dedication for this.
Exactly.
Fourth, sleep. Whatever your body type, to get the most out of your training, you need to focus on your nutrition and recovery. Key to the latter is sleep. The positive effects of getting 40 winks are huge. This is why napaka-importante ng tulog, okay, or pagpapahinga. So some of the people go to the gym, akala nila they're gonna spend 2 to 3 to yung iba pa nga 5 hours busting their asses, doing lots of exercise, but they're depriving themselves from sleep. This is wrong. Okay? So, magkakasama yung tatlong yan. Working out, nutrition, good nutrition, at saka sleep. So, always remember na ang tulog at pagpapahinga for your body to recover is important. Isn't it right,
Yes,
Coach Lex?
Coach. Technically, ang recovery natin talaga is to rest, and to build muscle, we need to rest. Doon nagre-repair kasi yung muscles natin during sleeping. So guys, iwasan natin yung overtrain. We need to rest. We need yung recovery.
So remember that, sleep.
Fifth, understand different workout plans for each body type. So Coach Mark, dito na tayo mag-start ng tips natin dun sa tatlong body types natin. Okay, first, ectomorph. So, ang ectomorph is, ito yung mga hard gainers. Ito yung mga typical na mga small bone. Ito yung mga payat from the start. So, ang training natin for them is usually more on compound movement. So, pero ang workout nito dapat medyo mahaba. Kailangan nila mag-rest. And technically, sa eating habits nila, kailangan nila more calories sila compared din sa ibang tao. So, as much as possible, mga 2,000 to 3,000 calories a day. Tapos, 2 to 3, mga 3 times a week ang workout nila.
Like what Coach said, no? Ito yung mga tinatawag nila, na typical tinatawag ng mga matatanda na patpatin. Ito yung mga patpatin, no? Ang frame nito maliliit. Like me, I used to be an ectomorph, no? When I was still starting. So, tama yun. I-limit muna if you're starting, you're just starting, no? I-limit muna ng 3 times a week ang workout mo and frequency. So, ang volume ng exercise should be consisting of compound movements, no? Kasi ito yung mga tinatawag na hard gainers,
Yes.
di ba, Coach? So, yes, that's it. Ganun ang dapat approach pag ang body type mo is ectomorph.
Tsaka usually pagka ectomorph, medyo nilelesen natin yung ang cardio niyan. Kasi ang pinaka-goal natin kasi talaga mag-gain tayo ng calories, magpasok pa tayo ng more calories. So, iwas tayo ng onte sa cardio.
Yes, that's true. So, yung iba kasi, usually, ang anticipation nila when they go to the gym, without knowing their body type, lalo na pag ectomorph ka, lagi, ang gagawin niya, sasampa ka agad sa treadmill. So, they will spend an hour, and then, pagka nag-workout na, ayun na, day na. So, you have to be particular, like what Coach Flex is trying to explain to you kung anong klaseng body type ito. So, you have to...
Pero we are not saying na na bawal kayo talaga as in mag-treadmill or mag-cardio.
Yes.
What I'm saying is, kailangan lang natin kahit na low intensity lang yung cardio natin. So, automatic, kailangan lang, mabagal lang, okay na sa akin yun.
So, what are these compound movements? Now, we have 5 compound movements or prime compound movements. No? We have the squat, barbell squat. We have the barbell bench press, barbell rowing, barbell deadlift, and barbell press. Okay? These are the 5 prime compound movements. Next body type, endomorph. So, what is endomorph body type? Ito yung mga typical na malalaki or yung mga tabain. Okay? So, they appear to be pear-shaped, no? So, ano ang mga dapat at hindi dapat sa ganitong klaseng body type? Okay. So, since naturally malalaki sila, what we introduce here is ini-incorporate natin ang weight training at saka ang cardiovascular exercise together. Okay? So, going back to ectomorph, Coach, medyo inililimit natin ang cardiovascular but hindi natin tinatanggal para for this body type, kailangan yan magkasama yan since they need to lose fat, no, para to build muscle. Okay. Yes, ito rin yung mga body type na mostly, no, carb sensitive. So very sensitive sila sa carbs. Pagka napadami-dami ang carbs, lalo silang lumalaki. Okay? What else, Coach?
For me, ang mga exercises na pwede dito is more on circuit training. Pero syempre, alalay pa rin tayo sa kanila. Kasi automatic, mabibigat sila. So, di naman natin sila pwedeng every time mag-burpee dyan o magtatatalon. So, aalalay tayo. Pero more ang gagawin natin sa kanila, more intense na workout na medyo mag-up lang yung heart rate nila. Kasi from there, doon mag-start yung burning ng fat nila.
Yes, okay. Just tip lang, no? Of course, to be able for our body to effectively burn fat, no? We need to build muscles. So dito, suitable sa body type na to, no? So kaya nga at first sinabi ko na kailangan kaakibat ang cardiovascular exercise at saka tong weight training, napaka-importante. So these are very important, no? Para sa ganitong klaseng body type.
Sila naman yung sila naman mas kailangan nila ibaba yung calories nila compared sa ectomorph. So medyo sensitive sila sa carbs, pero totally hindi naman natin kailangan tanggalin yung carbs. Medyo ibababa lang natin. Tapos syempre basta importante dyan, exercise and diet. Yun ang number 1 rule natin dyan. Pero guys, itong ginagawa natin, itong sinasabi namin regarding dito sa endomorph, medyo sensitive kasi hindi lahat ng workouts na katulad na sinabi namin kanina ni Coach March na kung very intense, high intensity, hindi lahat suitable dun sa endomorph. Kasi usually itong mga endomorph na to, sila yung usually na may mga sakit. Kasi technically sila yung mga obese. So kailangan pa rin natin ng guidance ng trainers, tsaka syempre ng doktor nila para alam namin kung anong gagawin.
So yeah, they need to go thorough fitness testing, no? At saka you have to be mindful of their medical histories, no? So kasi some of these endomorphs nahahanay doon sa special population na tinatawag namin. So ito yung ibig sabihin ng special population, ito yung may mga heart ailments, may mga diabetes, no? So that's why at first, before giving a workout or prescribing a workout plan, dumadaan muna sila sa fitness testing at saka inaalam namin yung medical history nila. So for this one, kailangan medyo dadaan muna tayo sa thorough parang assessment. Assessment muna. So bago tayo papasok dun sa sinasabi namin na workout na may intensity, since this body type needs to burn calories more dahil nga kasi malalaki sila.
Okay, last but not the least, mesomorph. Itong mesomorph na to, sila yung genetically gifted. So, itong mga body type na to, na mga mesomorph, usually sila yung mga athletic type na mga body type. So, pero mix din siya ng ectomorph tsaka endo Ang difference lang naman kasi ni ectomorph, hard gainer sila, tsaka hindi sila tabain. Ang mesomorph naman kasi, if you don't train hard din, usually mabilis din sila tumaba, pero mabilis din sila pumayat. So yun ang kinaganda nito pagka medyo tinamad, tataba, pag sinipag, mabilis pumayat. So Coach Mark.
Yes, that's true. Like what Coach Flex said, no? Ito yung mga gifted ones, no? So ito yung mga nakikita ninyo na antimano, nakikita ninyo talagang jack na jack sila, no? The way they are describing them, no? Na muscular, usually talagang ang mga shoulders talagang boulders ang itsura, no? And as well, athletic sila, no? So hindi masyadong mahirap para sa mga body type na to ang wala silang masyadong struggle when it comes to gains at saka pagkadating sa nutrition. Okay, so nandun sila sa middle.
So for short, sila yung pinakaswerte na body type talaga. Okay. Sample exercises for mesomorph. As I said kanina, para lang siyang ectomorph and endomorph. So, pwede rin siya sa compound, pwede siya sa isolation, pwede rin siya mag-circuit training, pwede siya mag-high intensity workout. So, siya talaga pinaka-gifted dito sa body type na to. So, ikaw Coach.
Yes, that's true. So, kaya nga gifted, sila yung talagang ideal na athletes, no? So yes, they can either do compound and isolation exercises. They can also do high intensity workouts like endurance training, high intensity training. So name it, pwede sila. So, why is it important to know the right workout plan for each body type? Okay, napaka-importante nito, no? Kailangan alam ng bawat body type kung ano ang workout plan na para sa kanya. Kasi iniiwasan natin dito yung sinasabi nilang whatever suits you, suits me. Whatever suits him, suits me. Parang ganun eh. Parang, kasi ang nangyayari kasi ngayon sa gym, kung ano yung nakikita nila, ginagaya nila without knowing the body type. Am I right, Coach?
Exactly. For example, yung may mga nakikita tayo, mga nagpa-powerlifter, they lift heavy. So, for example lang naman, sila syempre tagal na rin nila nag-workout. So, hindi naman pwedeng gawin nung isang tao na, kunyari, si ectomorph, as in, payat lang siya at bubuhat ng ganong kabigat. So, importante pa rin talaga na, let's start with the basic. So, start tayo muna sa baba, and in time, angat din tayo.
Yes, so always remember that everybody started from somewhere. But, you have to remember na kailangan gradual tayo. Kailangan alam ninyo kung ano yung frequency, kung ano yung intensity, at saka yung volume ng exercise na gagawin ninyo. This is why it is very important to know the workout plan for each body type.
Okay. Saka remember, walang shortcut sa fitness. Lahat yan pinaghihirapan.
Tama. Walang elevator or shortcut. So,
Exactly.
lahat nag-uumpisa mababa hanggang sa gradually paakyat. Ganun lagi. This is one good thing about watching Waking You. Na-address natin kung ano yung tama para sa inyo sa mga question nyo about fitness, about nutrition, about everything, right?
Yeah, lahat ng information nasa amin na.
This is why we are here to help you.
Again, whatever characteristics you have, you should know that regardless of your body type, anyone can get lean or put on considerable muscle mass and equally get fat if they are not careful. It might be harder for a skinny guy to follow, but it's not impossible.
Always remember, exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, and your mood. So no matter how busy your schedule is, make sure that you give time to exercise so you too can look better and feel better every day.
There you have it. Knowing which fitness plan is best for your body type will save you from the frustration and get your body to where you've always wanted it to be. Now that you know what it takes to achieve your results, you can begin to take your body's appearance to the next level. No more time constraints due to a busy schedule and lack of energy, because now you have the proper tools to transform your body and save time. That's it for today, folks. What are your thoughts? What body type do you most closely match? What are your current fitness goals? Are you looking to build muscle, lose fat, or maintain your body weight? Share your thoughts and stories and questions in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our channel, and make sure to turn on that notification button so you'll be updated on the following episodes that we do, and we'll see you on our next video.